Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Belle, local and long distance movers near me. Are you moving within a distance of 150 miles from your current residence? Get in touch with us today. The company is comprehensively licensed that can operate in most areas of the United States, including Belle Chasse. Additionally, for local or interstate moves, we offer a long distance moves under mover regulatory bodies such as FMCSA. Finally, we have an insurance policy that helps protect the transported items and the customer. Our professional team will help you have a stress-free moving day. For long-distance moves, we pack your belongings and furniture to make your journey free from worry and stress. We offer transparent services, which means that our services do not include any hidden charges. We promise to provide the best services everyone deserves. Whether you're moving across town or traveling a long distance, you can trust us. Our company has over 20 years of experience in the moving industry. We know the major transportation channels to a new side of town or across the U.S. and everywhere in between. This allows us to easily move your belongings to your destination, giving you complete peace of mind. Plus, our team of experts provides a level of care and professionalism unmatched in the moving industry. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Belle moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.